Oh man,
Okay,
Typical.
finally.
Pratap
Hi,
Dodla, ladies
Priyesh.
and gents. Finally,
Yeah.
finally.
Hi.
Such
So sorry,
a
so extremely sorry for all the technical issues.
apologies, yes, exactly. Apologies, guys, for the technical
Yeah.
siapa that happened a while ago. But man,
Perfect.
look at you, all set with that
Yes,
guitar, that beauty in your hand.
absolutely. Yes,
How
it
are you,
is.
man?
I'm doing good. Learning new dishes every day. नया कुछ बनाने का कुछ रेसिपी ट्राई करता रहता हूँ. So
भाई
this is
एक
what
बात
I'm
जान
doing.
लो, बहुत बहुत सारी चीजें कॉमन है एक्सेप्ट फॉर द सिंगिंग. आप
Mhm.
सिंगिंग से लोगों को करीब लाते हो, मैं सिंगिंग से लोगों को दूर भेजता हूँ. दैट्स द ओनली
Mhm.
डिफरेंस दैट वी हैव गॉट. बट व्हाट इज इन कॉमन, लेट मी टेल यू पीपल, यू गॉट अ hoot if this happens. All right, so before we go into that, ladies and gents, please welcome Pratap Dodla right here at the Pokerbazi presents Quarantunes with Pratap Dodla himself and myself, your host for today, Priyesh Palkar. A very good afternoon, one and
Hi,
all.
guys.
So
Good
the
afternoon.
afternoon is set. I could see all smiles. I could see a lot of love already pouring in huge numbers. Before going to that, the common thing I was talking about, भाई engineer हो आप,
जी.
engineer है हम, और life में क्या
क्या
किया जा
बात
रहा
है?
है हमसे.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
Yes, bro. You won't believe, mechanical. That's the stream.
Okay, mine is was electronics actually.
But you know what?
Oh,
It is a good feeling when people have studied engineering for 4 years or maybe 4+ years. You never know. I'm not going there at that aspect. And then we
let's
come
not.
out
Let's not.
and we just totally happen to choose different fields, and here we are now. How interesting,
Such
how
a
cool, or
small.
how sad is that?
Uh, Actually, art form can be, groomed anywhere. It does not need not come from a particular stream as such. Engineers, in fact, आजकल के most of the engineers you can find all the stand-up comedians, the singers, the actors, a lot of them engineers. So probably what it does, it inculcates that spirit of never stop going your way, I guess.
Absolutely. So it's like Delhi abhi dur nahi, bhale kuch bhi ho. Oh my, two engineers in the house. Yeah, Pepper, two
Yeah,
engineers in the house, or maybe there are a few more joining and watching us right now.
I'm sure a lot of
So
them are.
I bet not. I want people to pursue their passions and just strictly study that and just keep doing wonders
Perfect.
with it. Pratap, a lot of people have been waiting for you. So do you want to just
Yes.
talk to them for like good 2 minutes? I am just going mum for a while, like zip up. Please go ahead. 2 minutes are all yours.
2 minutes. Rather than words, I'm good with my music, I guess. So let me start up with a song which is
Okay.
a very dear
So,
song, which is a beautiful song. Actually, I love it. Recent
mhm.
favorites में आता है वो मेरे. So
Wow.
shall I?
Wait, actually, I have something on my mind. In fact, people, thank you for joining in. So Pratap is here. We all are here. You guys are here. That lovely audience. So what I was thinking, as the Quarantunes has been an initiative, just because now that's not a good thing. We have the novel coronavirus going all across the world, and which is definitely not a good sign because we have deaths like hundreds and thousands of them in particular day, every single day, and it's going really, really worse. So what I was planning with Seven Entertainment, with Pokerbazi, and with you, Pratap, क्यों ना हम 2 मिनट साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व करें to all those who have lost their lives so that we can pay tribute to their
Okay,
souls.
sure.
So to the people out there, it's a humble request. Wherever you are, I would just request, shall we all stand for 2 minutes and observe silence and pay homage to everybody all across the world, those who have lost their lives and their loved ones are missing them right now. So shall we do this? 2 minutes, all of us.
Perfect.
I believe, audience out there, you're doing the same with us. Well, thank you, Pratap. Thank you to all the viewers, all the friends out there. Thank you so much for joining us in paying homage to all of them, those we've lost all across the world. And now, on that note, after having paid homage, after having done a good deed on this beautiful Saturday afternoon, it's back to you, Pratap. Dodla,
Yeah.
please go on.
Yeah. So we're saying that this song is one of my personal favorites. I hope the guitar is audible, is it?
This, yeah, man, that is beautiful.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस तरह हमें सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता तू हम सफर है क्या फिक्र है जीने की बजाय ये मरना इसी के लिए ओ, 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 ah, Thank you much.
Whoa! Damn!
Thanks,
Bro!
thanks. Yeah.
सलाम अदा करना चाह रहा हूँ आपको बेहद
सलाम
बेहद
कबूल.
खूबसूरत beautifully sung. Well done. What a great start to this Quarantunes episode right here at 1 p.m. with Pratap Dodla and Priyesh Palkar with Pokerbazi and 7 Entertainment. Now that is some bang on start, bro. मजा आ गया छा गए आप तो अब छाए ही हो इतने टाइम से आज इन ऑडियंस को और मुझे भी आपको लाइव देखने का मजा मिल रहा है सो आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड रियली प्रिविलेज्ड थैंक यू 7 एंटरटेनमेंट्स फॉर गेटिंग दिस गाय ऑन बोर्ड विद मी
And I'm enjoying the session with you too, Priyesh. I must tell you.
थैंक्स मैन
Yeah.
सो हाउ हैज इट बीन 18 19 डेज क्वारंटाइन के आपके गए आई एम श्योर आप स्टूडियो में ही बैठे होंगे
I have actually lost the count.
exactly the same with me
Yeah.
so आपने ऐसी कौन सी स्पेशल चीज की क्वारंटाइन में
As I mentioned, घर पे खाना बनाना is the task which I have been assigned. So, तो टास्क पे मेरा एक दिन कभी मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत सारे डिशेस ट्राई किए डिशेस एज इन दे आर बेसिक स्टफ बट आई हैव ट्राइड इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड फॉर्चुनेटली इट वाज एडिबल एंड और अच्छा भी बन गया था सो आई ट्राइड छोले आई ट्राइड राजमा वन डे आई कुक्ड pulao and palak paneer and stuff. A lot of new dishes and recipes I tried actually. इसको छोड़ के झाड़ू पोछा is something which actually is a pain, but you gotta do.
मुझे ख्याल आ रहा है फिलहाल आप जब ये बातें कर रहे हो तो मुझे लग रहा है नेक्स्ट कोलैब वीडियो होना चाहिए फ्रॉम स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द किचन by the engineers by the artists now that they are totally going to a different aspect but I'm sure राजमा छोले आपने जिक्र किया मेन कोर्सेज पे आप पूरी मेहनत से उतर रहे हो I'm sure it should be as yummy as you're making it sound right now
हाँ मतलब मेरे रूममेट्स के पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज है तो आई गेस इट वाज गुड और एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज it's very much an art form cooking you know it's similar to music you need to take a lot of things the aroma the moment at which you have to put in some ingredients काफी सुर के जिस तरह मिलाना पड़ता है वैसे ही ingredients के साथ हमको खेलना पड़ता है so this is what I've learned
exactly
while cooking
and the most important thing because it's lockdown हमारे पास सारे चीजें स्टॉक अप तो है नहीं so now there comes a point where you got to be really creative because you got to pick and choose a few you have to decide इससे क्या बन सकता है and then eventually you come up and come up with something really interesting. If you pull that off, which means you've got skills. और मुझे लगता है जो artist होते हैं, I mean, when they're using that left side of their brain too much, so that aspect rises in them, and they happen to master maybe all the forms they put their hands in. शायद when if you're at your peak in life, you can just master any art form, be it anything. So I'm sure. Please invite someday. अगर मुंबई कहाँ से हो आप वैसे?
Actually, that's a very difficult question for me to answer because I belong to a lot of places. So my mother tongue is Telugu.
Wow.
I was born in Jamshedpur, which is in Jharkhand,
Nice.
and yes, and I was brought up in the central part of the country. It's Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, and then in Mumbai for past maybe 8 years now.
Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Mumbai. Your mother tongue is Telugu.
South
I'm
India.
sure you must be visiting South or to your native as well.
Yes.
Yes. Wow. You're a mixture. Maybe not going right up there in the north, but आप mixture हो east, north, east, west, and
And
south.
South, absolutely, yes. So
Brilliant.
that's why when
What
someone
makes
asks me where do you belong to, I say, let me think.
India? Oh, I guess you
India.
should say I belong to India. Like, that's the best
Absolutely,
answer you
yes,
could
I do.
give. Try using this the next time somebody asks you. And remember me, I suggest
Absolutely, I'll do that.
So, Telugu, आपने कहा मतलब Telugu songs भी गाते होंगे आप, I am really sure, because that's your mother tongue.
I mean, I'm not very fluent with the language, but yes, I speak, I sing a few of them. I mean, I like the melodies, but मैं उतना frequently नहीं गाता हूँ, but yes, I do few songs here and there. Yeah.
So, any favorite song, particularly? Any Telugu favorite song?
I love this movie. I have done this song like in my session previously as well. It's from the movie Arya. I'm sure, I don't know, many North Indians also have watched this movie called Arya by Allu Arjun. So this is
Okay.
from that particular movie.
You're
It's
going
called
for
Feel My Love. Yeah.
All right,
Let me
guys,
sing a couple of
get
lines
up,
for you.
and I need to see this emoji popping up because our master Pratap is going for his second song right now. So can we have a round of applause right there, virtual round of applause with this emoji? Please go on, Pratap.
Feel my love. Feel my love. Na premanu maunangano, na premanu hilangano, na premanu shapangano, chalya feel my love. Na premanu bharangano, na premanu durangano, na premanu nirangano, sakya feel my love. Na premanu hilangano, na premanu shonyogano, na premanu hilangano, gado, gado, yellow, gado, feel my love, feel my love, feel my love, feel my love.
I wish I had a partner right now. We could have sung and just
I know you didn't understand this, but the way you were swinging, I feel that the thought is at least delivered.
See, that is what your music is doing to us. I felt it so
Yeah.
strongly. I really miss my partner right now. Wow. That was brilliant.
Thank
Well
you.
done once again on behalf of the entire audience. This is to you.
Thank you.
Brilliant, man. Now I am
Um,
super excited. I know we have a small time window here, but I think I can just keep going on for hours with this session because this has definitely got me. You've got me, bro. You've got me.
Then this exactly as you mentioned this time window, but we'll try to do as many songs as possible. Yeah.
So I really wanted to understand because when I was thinking about this moment, something struck me, and I was thinking about you've delivered so many performances. आप 16 साल की उम्र से perform कर रहे हो, जनाब. 16 साल की उम्र से. Wow, I mean, you've come a long way across now. So I'm sure इतने uncountable performances, इतने सारे live performances, gigs, shows, ये सब आपने करे. तो उसके बीच में, there might be something happened? I mean, your most humorous experience or your best gig experience? Anything like that you want to share with us?
Uh,
I will
Actually, a lot
specifically
of
want you
them,
to
but
say. Okay, sorry to cut you. I would want you to share the most humorous experience. We'll start with that. थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक.
humorous.
Yeah.
Humorous as such, I cannot exactly recollect, but then I'll tell you one incident which has happened with me. So I was in Colombo, Sri Lanka. We went for a gig,
Okay. Okay.
and so the clients and all, my ticket was done. We came back after the gig. It was a fantastic gig. People loved it. And when we came back to the airport, what we found was जो मेरे bandmates थे उनका जो ticket था, the flight was a little early, so they took off.
Okay.
And I was my flight was a couple of hours later. And when I went to the desk, then I realized the date of the flight was a month later.
Oh
So
my God.
so even I didn't realize कि ये ऐसा scene है. My ticket was supposed to be in the February. The date mentioned on the ticket was on March. So I was like totally strangled there, and मेरे सारा cash खत्म हो चुका था. Card काम नहीं कर रहा था. And I had to wait at the airport for approximately 6-7 hours before the things got sorted out. So what I did was I had my guitar anyways. I started playing there,
Oh.
and people actually gathered. I mean, I started off like fun thing कि मैं कुछ करता हूँ jam. Then people started joining up. There were a lot of Indians, surprisingly, and then I did a lot of Hindi songs and then few Telugu songs as well. Although I was not good at it, but I did.
Okay.
So that was memorable. You know, people randomly walking up to you, appreciating your stuff. That gives you immense pleasure.
पहली बात भाई, एक महीने बाद की टिकट. ये कैसे हो गया आपसे? I mean, I want to understand the background story of that. ये कैसे हुआ आपसे?
Background इसका ये है कि the gig got confirmed at the last moment, so everyone was in hurry. So I got the ticket. मैंने जाने का ticket सब डिटेल देख लिया. रिटर्न का हाँ ठीक है, there is a ticket. देख लेंगे उसमें क्या है. जब पहला सीट सही है तो ऐसा सोच के मैं चला गया. And then when the moment came, then I realized वो goof up हो गया है यहाँ पे. But then thankfully the things were sorted. But also everything happens for a reason. I got to perform in live at the airport and get connected to a lot of people. So that was a fun thing, I guess.
And I'm sure a lot of people called you for a lot of gigs after that.
But मेरे Instagram के followers definitely बढ़ गए थे उसके बाद.
See, there's always a blessing in any disguise. You just have to look at it optimistically,
True.
and you certainly did
True.
that. But damn, I've encountered one of that moment in a train. Though somebody had the same birth number as mine, and we were like confused. He was asking me to check it. I'm like, dude, I can see it. And then he happened to check out, and उनका एक महीने बाद का booking था, the same birth.
Oh, same case, same case.
The same thing. बेचारे को उतरना पड़ा mid train से after the TC in towing. But yeah, that's how it is. And you being on that side, so yeah.
I know. And that too, it was in Sri Lanka, and a different country altogether. And I was like totally drained of money. So that was a different scenario altogether.
Something you're gonna go on for a long, long time, and that memory is gonna is already etched
Yes,
big time.
yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
in the meanwhile, do you want to go for yet another song, or you want me to suggest something? How about my suggestion?
Sure, I did one for my
Another level.
for my choice. You tell me. बोलिए.
I could see you sung Someone Like You already, right? The Telugu song.
Someone Like You is by Adele. Adele's song. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. That's the song I get.
You know what? I want you to do this right now. The next song.
Okay, cool. Beautiful song it is.
I am sure it's my choice anyway, and sung by you.
I heard that you settled down and you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. I guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? It ain't like you hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. You couldn't fight it. I'd hope to see my face and that you'd be reminded that from it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you say sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts and stays. Sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts and stays. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Thank you.
Oh, bang on. I wish we
Thank
could
you, man.
just tune in and audio messages right here. I'm sure they might be hooting and clapping and going crazy right now at their respective places. I hope they're staying indoors.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, man.
Thank
Beautifully
you.
done. Well done. On this note, you are singing so brilliantly. You come a long way, as you mentioned. So many gigs. I've already mentioned about it and let the audience know about it. And maybe lots of friends of you are here. And also, there might be the upcoming artists, you know, the booming in artists who are just taking up music, who are learning it, who are taking up some instrument. So I would want to understand from you, like, what would be your advice to these kids or these artists, no matter what their age is. We all can start at any age, actually. So,
True.
what do you think? They should be just taking off on any social platform, or they should be first going in deep with their knowledge about it and then coming up on social? So, how do they deal with their career? Basically, a word from you on this.
Well, if you ask me, just a suggestion, a friendly suggestion. Everyone can, very well follow their own path to where they want to reach. But then my suggestion would be to learn the craft. That is very important. And originality is something which you should always be consistent with, because बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो, I mean, influences are good. You obviously get inspired by some of the other artists. That is good. But then always stick to your originality. What is your forte? Work on your strength. Playing your strength is the only way that you can do well in whichever field it is. Just not the art form. Any field, I guess. Originality is something which I believe is very, very important. This is something which I would suggest. I guess.
Absolutely. Well said. Right on point. So yes, guys, this is the originality. It's how you can stand out, or being your own shadow. I mean, that's really important these days, because because the social media is booming. So many platforms, TikTok, then Instagram, and then so many of them. Like, everybody could just tune in and be somebody really good. But it's really important to maintain that composure and be unique and, original. So that's really important. So well said. Really appreciate that. And quickly, I would also want to understand, so it's 18 days and we don't know what the government is planning. So most of the states are already extended the lockdown. So any which way, so whenever it happens, bro, Pratap, so what are your plans? How are you gonna come out of this lockdown? What are your plans specifically?
जब भी open होता, I would like to go meet all my friends. It's been a while, and give them a big hug that I so miss them. It's now that I've realized कितना प्यार होता है friends के बीच में. It's just that you never realize their importance unless and until the situations like this comes on. Meeting with my friends, of course, and then my family, which is in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, so I miss them as well.
Yeah.
So these two things are on my top list to go see my parents and meet all my friends.
So I'm sure you might be missing your family as of now during the
True, true.
lockdown
And
days.
especially जब खाना बनाना पड़ता है, I miss my mom too much. Although हम कॉल पे डिस्कस करते हैं कि ये सब्जी कैसे बनाई जाए, I take a lot of
Okay.
tips from her. But then yes, I do miss them.
Brilliant. मतलब खाना खुद की क्रिएटिविटी से भी बनाया जा रहा है या फिर थोड़ा यहाँ वहां से हेल्प लेनी पड़ रही है आपको?
See, the basics has to be learned, right? As I mentioned, in any art form, basics
Course.
has to be learned, and then you can always improvise.
Absolutely. Taking nothing
Yes,
away
sir.
from that. In the meanwhile, so there are a lot of them who प्यार दीवाना होते हैं. There are a lot of suggestions coming up from a lot of our friends.
Yes, I can.
We can't see
Yeah.
you. I mean, faces are visible. Oh, really? I hope I fixed that. I hope I fixed that. So maybe one of your choice, which you think
I
we should
guess
be playing at this point in time.
someone requested this song, "प्यार दीवाना होता है," right?
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Yeah, प्यार दीवाना
Hmm.
होता है.
I think we should do that. Lovely song, and one of
Go
my
ahead.
favorite singers as well, Kishore Da, is
Ah,
just awesome.
do it, bro.
So we go.
All yours.
क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं यार. क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं यार. वो नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. Thank
Wow,
you.
man. Dil chhu liya to sing. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Thank you, man. Lot of hearts coming in.
Absolutely. They are just pouring in like, oh my God.
Ah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bro, when are you performing? Is there any gig planned? I mean, December, next year, something like that, because I cannot ask you in the meantime because we never know when this is all going to end. But yeah, I would really want to understand.
Lot of
Keep me
talks
posted.
are going on, but let's see what's the scenario is going to be. Right
Keep me
now,
posted.
anyways, absolutely. And the people who are watching us live, they can also follow us, both of us,
Absolutely.
so that you keep updated with what our gigs, upcoming gigs, and be entertained.
Yes, bro. In the meanwhile, actually, you know what I told you, we can just keep going on and on and on. So there should be a cut
Yeah.
off time. So before it happens, we just abruptly have to disappear. Let's not do that. मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक rapid fire लिया जाए आपके साथ. So this time it's you on me, and this should be really really rapid. And people, those who are watching this, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप scores there after all the questions are done. So I have like good 5 to 6 questions or 7. ये होने के बाद quickly give me a score based on 10. How much do you rate for his performance on this rapid fire? So this is going to be
I'm
fun.
scared now.
Pratap, I made sure you're scared and you get conscious now. I'm sure you're not. You're a performer. All the best, Pratap.
Yeah.
So हम शुरू करते हैं हमारा
Thank
rapid
you.
fire round in 3, 2, 1, and now. Favorite song of all time?
Um,
Rapid fire. It's rapid fire.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
Nice. Favorite genre in music?
Pop and R&B.
Good. What are you binge watching currently?
Game of Thrones, which was long overdue. I just wrapped it up. Just did. Yeah.
You're right there. You're right there. Going great, bro. Your favorite singer or musician?
I cannot narrow it down to one. Yeah. There are a lot of them.
Okay, 3.
Actually, I listen to
Top 3. Top 3. Don't prioritize. Top 3.
A.R. Rahman from India. A.R. Rahman, sir. Amit Trivedi, and KK. That's I would like to go for these three guys.
Great. Your favorite food? Sorry.
Punjabi, any Punjabi food,
Any
which is
Punjabi.
ironic because I'm South Indian, but I love Punjabi food.
All right. And the final one, your dream collaboration.
As I mentioned, अब मैंने इतने बड़े नाम ले लिए हैं कि if I ever get a chance to dub a track for either Amit Trivedi or A.R. Rahman Saab, I would really be fortunate.
Brilliant. Well done and kudos to you. What a great performance. But my applause is not what it means. It is the people, our friends who are watching us right now. All right, fellas. So, Pari aapki, come on, rate Pratap Dodla on his performances rapid fire mein unhone kaisa perform kiya based on you on the scale of 10. Right now, can we see a few pointers coming in? What do you think? How much have you scored?
I was just being honest. I don't know. I think I've done well.
You've done well.
Fair enough, I guess. Not bad.
People, can we have some scores? Wow. You
So
get
meanwhile,
lots of hearts.
meanwhile
Applause.
they give us score. Why don't we do another song?
Do it, man. All yours. 9 on 10. Wow.
Oh. पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा दिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिलके आज ही दे जरा मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा बाहों में आ baby I love baby I love you baby I love you so baby I love you. Thank you.
Brilliant. Well done once again. Now you're amazing, bro. It was such fun to have you on board. And thank you for you to joining in. Thank you, Pokerbazi. Thank you, Seven Entertainments. Thank you, hashtag Current Tunes. And I guess we'll have to get done here. Maybe we can collaborate personally. Going ahead,
Absolutely.
we will be discussing that for sure. But I want you to do a special gesture for Seven Entertainments for giving us this opportunity to come here. So what we do is this. Okay, we do it together. If somebody screenshots, or we can do it for ourselves, or people can do it, or our team can do it. Okay, so on a final note, before we end this, do you want to share something with your friends, those are watching us right now? A final verdict, a final word from you.
Just stay safe, stay home, help the government, help the people who are trying to help us, keeping their lives at stake. So it's our moral, social, every responsibility to take care of ourselves and help them. And together only we can come out of this situation which we are right now in. And I'm sure we will do it pretty fine.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Well said. So what I'm planning, I'll just give a shout out to this session, and then finally you sing one final song, and then we just go off. How about that then? Yeah, Pratap?
Perfect.
All right.
Yes.
Well done. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. One love song that awaits. So thank you once again. Pokerbazi presents Quarantunes live at with Pratap Dodla and myself, Priyesh Palkar, your host for today. Special kudos, Pokerbazi, Seven Entertainment, and Pratap. Before we start, let's do this. For Seven Entertainment.
Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
There you go, the Seven Entertainment. Thank you once again. Thank you for this opportunity. One final song from Pratap Dodla, and then you can find us on our respective handles on Instagram. Thank you so much, guys. One song. Let's hear it.
सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हफ्तों तो आसमां मिला जमी को मेरी, आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम। तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा कभी जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम।
Thank you,
Thank
Pratap.
you.
God bless. Stay safe, everyone. Stay at homes and take care of yourselves. God bless. See you, Pratap. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. Quarantine's
Bye
Live
bye.
with Pratap Dodla and Priyesh Palkar. Brought to you by Pokerbazi.